Today, before understanding DevOps, we will learn what is waterfall model and what are the major flaws in it. The waterfall model is a traditional software development approach where each phase in the SDLC, like requirement analysis, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance, flows sequentially like a waterfall from one to next. In the waterfall model, each phase must be completed before moving to the next. There are many problems with this approach. Number one, hard to make changes. Imagine it like after construction of the building, now you want another window in the living room. Making this change would be costly and time consuming, right? Which results delaying the product. Number two, late testing and development. Testing happens only when complete product is developed, which means any bugs or issues are only discovered at the end, potentially leading to major rework if the problem is critical. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. Today, before understanding DevOps, we will learn what is Agile model and what are the major flaws in it. Unlike the waterfall model, where each phase in the SDLC will be completed before moving to the next, in Agile, instead of completing the entire project at once, you develop, test, and deliver the part of a product in small cycles called sprints. As each cycle delivers a part of a product, allowing for continuous feedback, improvement, and adjustments along the way. Imagine it like building a house. Instead of inspecting the construction after completion of a building, you visit for every floor. The major flaw in it was since Agile focuses on continuous development and improvement, it is sometimes hard to predict when the project will be fully completed, as new features or requirements keep getting added during each sprint, which results delaying the product. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. Finally, today we'll learn what DevOps really mean. DevOps is not what you think. It is not about tools. DevOps is also a SDLC like waterfall and agile model. In waterfall, where each phase in the SDLC will be completed before moving to the next. Efficiency here is less. That is, assume it around 30 to 40%. In agile, part of a product will be delivered before sprint. Feedbacks and improvements are done after the sprint. Efficiency here is better when compared to the waterfall model. Assume it like around 60 to 70%. In DevOps, just like in Agile, instead of delivering the part of a product at each sprint, we deliver the small part of a product every day, no matter how small it is. Imagine like you're building a house, and every day you inspect the progress. You give the feedback and suggestions, improvements to the workers. In this way, the house gets built faster and exactly how you want it. That's what DevOps is like in software development. Instead of waiting until the end to test or fix the things, developers and operations work together every day, delivering the small updates and improving continuously. This ensures faster and more reliable software that matches users' needs. Efficiency here was around 98 to 99%. There are many tools which will automate each phase of the SDLC. I hope you understood what DevOps really is. You can use many tools like Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Prometheus, Grafana in Agile and Waterfall model as well. That's it for today. See you tomorrow.